Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Forms and creating a blank form for your event. Immediately name the form and add event date and location so respondents see context. Then add a required short answer question for guest name to capture identities. Once done, add an email question type to contact people later and set form settings to collect emails if needed. Make sure to toggle required on core fields so responses aren't missing critical data. Now you build the Rsvp specifics. Create a multiple choice question for attendance like yes, no, maybe so responses are easy to sort. Next, add a drop-down or MCQ for meal choices and a short answer for +1 names. Use response validation if you need limits. Once the main items exist, split the form with sections so conditional questions appear only when relevant. Make sure to set branching logic so only attending guests see. Finish by configuring settings. Enable email confirmations, choose whether respondents can edit after submit, and set response collection limits if necessary. Then preview and test the form on desktop and mobile. Complete a few sample responses to verify branching and data capture. Once live, monitor responses and enable email notifications for new entries. If things go wrong, check permissions, required field logic, and section branching first. Those are the most common causes of missing or misrouted answers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.